Hi, welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some words related to one occupation. Here are the words to learn. Pilot, aircraft, destinations, air traffic control, inspection, navigation, co-pilot, passenger, airplane, cargo, flight, runway, takeoff. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there's a new video posted. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now learn to use each word in a sentence. Paul is a pilot. Paul flies an aircraft. Paul travels to many destinations. Paul contacts air traffic control. Paul does pre-flight inspection. Paul checks the navigation controls. Paul navigates with a co-pilot. Paul flies a passenger airplane. Paul carries cargo on his flight. Paul taxis down the runway. Paul has a smooth takeoff. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.